These are 10 hacks Ryan Trahan uses to make the internet lose its mind video after video. Ryan Trahan has cracked the YouTube code, and he didn't just stumble upon viral stardom, he engineered it. And I'm not talking about racking up 1 million views. Ryan achieved the Everest of YouTube metric, hitting over 200 million views in less than a month with just one series. From penny challenges to spending 100 days in the metaverse, Ryan's playbook is something every creator wishes they had. The first hack Ryan uses is out-of-the-box ideas. If you're familiar with Ryan's channel, you'll know he's the king of extreme challenges. Take his video crossing America with a penny in 30 days, for example. Now that's not just any ordinary challenge. It's wild, it's insane, it grabs your attention, you just have to click on it. But Ryan's genius doesn't stop there. His other viral hits include I spent 100 days in the metaverse, overnight in the world's loneliest house, and I survived the world's quietest room. What's the common thread? Each idea is extreme, unusual, and super intriguing. You just can't scroll past these titles without clicking on it. But here's the kicker. Ryan isn't just throwing darts in the dark. He tests different formats and observes what his audience loves. Once he knows something clicks, like his penny challenges, he doubles down but adds a fresh twist to keep things exciting. The second hack is click-worthy thumbnails. Ryan Trahan knows the art of crafting click-worthy thumbnails, and it all starts with exaggeration. He bumps up the intrigue factor to catch your eye, but his videos deliver on that exaggerated promise, so the viewer never feels lied to. His next technique involves using contrasting colors to immediately grab attention. For example, a bright orange jumpsuit against a pitch black background. This way, in the milliseconds it takes for you to scan, you're likely to stop and take a second look. Alongside color, action plays a significant role in his thumbnails. Instead of a generic pose, Ryan shows himself in a state of action that perfectly aligns with the video's content. This not only reinforces the video title, but also adds a layer of storytelling to the thumbnail itself. Ryan's text placement in his thumbnails is nothing short of strategic as well. He keeps it brief, often under 4 words, and uses it to add intrigue. Also, the text doesn't repeat what the video title says. It adds a new dimension, tempting you to click and discover more. The third hack is retention formula. Ryan Trahan has cracked the code on YouTube growth, and one of his most effective tactics is his retention formula. His strategy is essentially a blend of multiple content styles that serve to keep viewers glued to their screens from start to finish. You could say his videos are a cocktail of Mr. Beast's fast-paced, action-packed style and Ember Chamberlain's more personal, relationship-based approach. It's like getting the best of both worlds in a single video, making it hard for you to click away. If we talk about the intro, this is the part where viewers are most likely to drop off, but not for Ryan. He knows the game. Instead of starting with pleasantries or a generic welcome back, he dives straight into the content. Imagine clicking on a video because of its intriguing thumbnail, and bam, Ryan shows you that exact scene right at the beginning. This not only confirms that you're in the right place, but also serves to immediately hook your attention. Ryan also avoids the pitfall of using fluffy or filler language. His videos are streamlined, focused, and aimed at keeping you watching. Every second is valuable. He's not just making videos, he's building an experience that is both entertaining and engaging thanks to his blend of humor and personality. Hack number 4 is Mr. Beast involvement. Another brilliant move Ryan Trahan made to boost his video series was by incorporating Mr. Beast into the mix. Right from episode 1, on day 1 of the series, Mr. Beast's face appeared in the thumbnail. And guess what? That video got the most views in the entire series. People who are fans of Mr. Beast instantly wanted to click and find out what was going on. This wasn't just a one-off strategy. It actually was a stroke of genius that kept viewers engaged throughout the series. Even though Mr. Beast physically appeared only in the first and last day of the series, his presence was felt all through the 30-day journey. Ryan Trahan turned Mr. Beast into a sort of ongoing character or theme in the series. It got people talking, and most importantly, it got them thinking about Mr. Beast while watching Ryan's videos. This kept viewers glued, making them want to return for each new episode, even if Mr. Beast wasn't actually in it. Hack number 5 is storytelling. This is a video of Ryan with the title, I Survived the World's Quietest Room. In this video, he sets the stage by talking about this super quiet room that can supposedly make you go insane if you stay in it for longer than 30 minutes. Right off the bat, he gives you a reason to stick around. Is he going to lose it in the room? You'll have to watch to find out. He ups the stakes by saying he wants to break the record, setting a goal that's both personal and universally intriguing. He then shifts to show his personality. He's traveled from Texas to Minnesota, telling you that he's committed. He introduces you to Steve, the creator of The Quietest Room. His portrayal of Steve is a funny and a little spooky, like a character from a thriller movie. This adds a layer of entertainment and suspense to the video as well. Ryan's storytelling isn't flashy, it's relatable. He doesn't use over-the-top over-the-top edits or graphics, his voice is chill like he's talking to a friend, which makes you want to listen. And he's always talking, filling the video with engaging content, no awkward silences or filler material. This constant stream of words keeps viewers hooked because they don't want to miss what he'll say next. Number 6 is comedy. Ryan Trahan makes you laugh without losing track of what his video is about. Consider the previous example when he's trying to break a world record by staying in a super quiet room. He walks in and says, "I'm gonna beat the record," but then cracks a joke. "It won't be quiet if I keep making noise, huh?" You laugh, but you're still thinking about the quiet room challenge. So why does this work so well? Ryan's jokes aren't just random. They help him connect with you while sticking to the main point. Even if some people say that YouTube is all about quick hits and clickbait, Ryan shows you can still be real with people. Hack number 7 is pacing. Think about it. He and his team film for up to 16 hours a day, but the video you see only around 14 minutes. That's a lot of cutting, but it's not just random what he cuts. They keep only the best stuff to make sure you never get bored. Here's the cool part. They use voiceovers like a pro. Let's say Ryan spends a whole day mowing lawns. Instead of making you watch every single minute, he uses a voiceover to speed things up. You'll hear him say something like, "We got rejected a lot," while the video fast forwards or shows quick highlights. This way, you feel the ups and downs of his day in just a few seconds. Hack number 8 is community involvement. Now, if you've ever felt like shouting at the screen because you want the YouTuber to do something specific, Ryan has a game changer for you. He lets his viewers get into the driver's seat, literally. Why does this work so well? Well, it turns the whole experience into a two-way street. You're not just a spectator, you're a part of the show. And when you feel involved, you're more likely to stay hooked, share the video, and come back for more. It's like turning each video into a mini community event, a party where everyone gets to contribute. Hack number 9 is authenticity. You see, Ryan Trahan isn't just a guy with a camera. He's your buddy. The guy next door who you feel like you've known forever because he keeps it real. He's 100% authentic. You know those YouTubers who act all flashy with crazy edits and Hollywood level production? Yeah, that's not Ryan. He's all about being himself, and that's what people love. He'll tell you straight up, "Hey, I'm leaving the camera here. I'm not going anywhere. This is just for the video." No sugarcoating, no fakery, just pure unfiltered Ryan. Oh, and he films a lot on his iPhone. That means high-end cameras and fancy setups are out of the equation. You watch him and think, "Hey, I've got a phone. I could do this." Now, who can forget his famous series where he starts with a penny? We all have one lying around somewhere, right? It's not like he's using some secret ingredient that we can't access. He's proving that anyone can make something out of nothing. You watch him and think, "I can do this." What you see is what you get attitude builds trust. And guess what? Trust equals loyalty. His fans aren't just viewers. They're a community, bound by the realness that Ryan brings to the table. Hack number 10 is confidence. When you watch a Ryan Trahan video, one thing immediately stands out: the guy's confidence. And we're not talking about some run-of-the-mill, just faking it kind of confidence. No, Ryan gives off a genuine, "this is me, take it or leave it" sort of assurance that you can't help but admire. Ever notice how he's just as comfortable vlogging from a crowded mall as he is from his own living room? There's no switch in his demeanor. The guy is consistently himself, and it's not a show, it's real. In a world where so many people are worried about what others are thinking, Ryan flips the script. It's like he knows that he's enjoying himself. Chances are, you will too. And that's the magic right there. His confidence isn't about ego, it's about connection.